Ciao Tesla people. Today I'm going to do a road trip. I'm going to the Chianti region, first to Impruneta and then probably to Greve in Chianti. Um, and I'll take with you, I'll take you with me. I'm going to do a time lapse of the road and then show you around these two towns. They're not that far. Probably Greve and Chianti is an hour away, and Impruneta probably half an hour. And it's very scenic. Today is a beautiful day, 10 degrees, but in reality it's supposed to increase to 15. So it should be a nice day and a nice road trip. So uh, let's go.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
So I'm in Greve in Chianti. Behind me is the state house here, and this is the square. And this statue over there, I don't know if you can see, that's Giovanni da Verrazano. And Giovanni da Verrazano is the guy that discovered the New York Bay. So the bridge da Verrazano in New York is entitled to him because he was a navigator, and he discovered the bay, the New York Bay. It's pretty cool. And that was in 1524. So 500 years ago, more than 500 years ago. No, 500 years ago, yeah. Pretty cool. So I'm just staying here for another little bit and then going back to Florence. Maybe taking a walk or a ride around here, the Chianti region. I'll see you in a bit.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. About others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
So I'm back in Florence. The ride was really nice. The weather was great. It was almost 15 degrees Celsius, so in January, so nothing to complain about that. Greve in Chianti is always nice because um, it's a old small village in the Chianti region, so it's always a nice road trip. Anyway, I'm going to leave my Tesla referral in the description. If you plan to buy a Tesla, use my Tesla referral. You can get up to 3 months of free FSD. Or if you plan to test drive a Tesla, use my referral too. And all the links about my accessories and my Model Y are in the description. And please leave a like, share it, turn on notification if you're already subscribed, and I'll see you next video. Ciao Tesla people.